Whoa! Whoa! Oh, hey, wait!
Búscale las espinacas, güey.
Hey, man, I don't want to fight, okay? I'm not that guy. I just want to... Get the fuck out of my way! Move!
You're fucking dead, you know that?
Hey, just tell me, please. Ooh, okay, so those are definitely third degree, so you're gonna want to run it under some cool...
I'm not done with you.
Okay, wait, hold on. Hurry! Look, I still feel like we can get what we want here. Ah! Oh, you're strong! Ooh, I am so sorry. Hey, last chance. Tell me where she is.
Eat shit.
Oh, okay, okay. You don't have like a gluten thing, do you? Hey. Hey, man, you okay?